Okay, Jason. Oh, look at that.
It's nice.
Look at that masking in the text.
Jason, way to pop those reds. It really adds to it.
Planet Earth, season 95. Okay, I like it. Was that it? Okay, so those were the ones. Did you guys have anything that's... Well, yeah.
I have a favorite.
Okay, okay.
I liked Jason's. When I do landscape photography and stuff, I'm always adding a lot of red in my color to get the greens and the blues to stand out.
I agree.
I think Jason did a pretty good job.
Yeah, that's an interesting. So explain this technique. This is interesting. So you're saying the reds. What is highlighting the reds do? Or
and just landscapes in general.
Yeah.
You have a lot of cool colors. You have greens and blues. And if you're ever do any photography, landscape photography can look very flat or just blue and green.
Yeah.
So if it will look terrible when you're shooting a person, photographing a person, to go ahead and put your color temperature way high. It can just end up with red skin. Yeah. But in landscape and nature photography, it pulls out those oranges and browns and things like that, and it really sets the colors apart. I think it looks good.
I agree.
I agree.
All right, so Jason is our winner?
I think so.
I think so.
All right, Jason, congratulations.
Jason,
Very
man.
good job.
Good job.
Congrats to all the entrants.
Yeah, they were all great.
All had their
All
own
of them.
things, and I think Jason, you hit, and he said something like "play up to your audience," or he's saying there. So, good job, Jason. So congratulations, you just won. Someone just said "woo" in the background. Is Jason?
Hi.
Jason's here.
Jason, that's not fair. Adobe plays can't win. Yes, Voodoo Val saying, I like how Jason had the text color change on Planet Earth so you could see it on dark and light. Yeah, that was a really good thing.
Yep.
Using typography in over video is always a challenge, right? It's like, what do? Do I add the drop shadow or do this? And that was a really good technique that he used there to kind of have it work against the the background. You can see, yeah, it's really nicely done. So season 95.
Good job.
Good job. Good job.